would now like to kindly invite him to come up and address and inspire the gathering here. Mr. Manan, please.
Dear Barbarians, Director of Institute, and my august friends, it takes me 43 years back when I had come to this college to apply for admission. Looking at you youngsters, I now remember 1974 when I came to take admission here. What I would like to start with, you all youngsters have taken admission into this great institution from different backgrounds. As Dr. Manik just mentioned, I come from a farming background. I stand in front of you to tell you about my journey, how I have proceeded from here on. But the point I want to make is, all my friends who come from different backgrounds, that difference, I think it remains up to when you come to a university or an institute of this level. Once you have joined in this college, I think all your disparities, economics, your cultural, your background, should finish here. This is the message I want to convey today. Please, children, those who come from any background, you can decide your, I would say, it's very, tall to say, destiny you can make. Bhagwan sab kuch karta hai, I understand. But from here on, what I want to say is that, you can dream big, but you will get what in the end you are. Today, please decide for yourself what you want to do and try to be there yourself so that you will get it what you are. You will not get what you dream. Try to, from now on, my experience says, between a very good engineer and the best of the foremen on the field when we go in, the difference is only why. The big why is the only difference between an engineer and a very experienced foreman. You try from this college to get answers to all your whys. And I am sure, with my own example, to say that our faculty, our university, our college is capable of making you equipped with everything, answering all your whys. Take it from me that nobody, when you go to the field, when you go to different, from here, once you are out of this college after 4 years, 5 years, 6 years of your studies according to your courses, you will be competing with people. Nobody will help you know the answer of whys. Your faculty has to equip you with all the knowledge that you can be unbeatable anywhere. I have been working in the Middle East for about 15 years for different engineering offices, construction companies, and we came across many projects. And believe you me, no was never a word I would have used for any structural design. And that thanks to our faculty here. They have given us enough knowledge to design any damn thing you name it, and you have a solution for it. just going off the track, because looking at you boys, I think we should talk about here in this college what we have come here for and what we want to take from here to meet the challenges of life. Now, another thing I want to share with you boys is, boys and girls, please, the second thing I want you to remember in your lifetime is, which I personally have experienced. Once you have made your goal clear, don't leave it to anybody else or the God to complete it. I fully respect that God will do everything. It's already written in your destiny. But I'll give you a very good example. Please remember it. You want to go from Delhi to Bombay. Okay? Very easy. A train from Delhi goes to Bombay. You have no efforts to do as everybody will think. But there are some prerequisites which I want you people to remember for your life. To be successful, to be able to reach Bombay, there are 6 or 7 prerequisites. Number 1, you must know from where the train will go. Which station? Is it Old Delhi or New Delhi? You must buy a proper ticket on that particular day. You must reach the station at that particular time. You must get into the bogie before the train starts. Even after you do all this, somebody will say, yes, no, I reached Bombay. No, you should not get down on the way. Nobody should be able to distract you from your goal when you are going. But I am trying to tell you boys, please make a goal and don't prepare yourself to be there. Then God will help you. Because God helps only those who help themselves. Otherwise, He is not free. Once you have done your homework and you have worked hard, all of you have, I'm sure you know it, the key to everything is hard work. That is the only thing you can do. You must do your homework and then you will realize, from my experience I can say that, I came from a village, there was no, believe you me, I didn't even know when the results of pre-engineering came. At that time, we didn't have all this, communication was, non-existent. We didn't know even that we have to apply for admission. The results of pre-engineering were out. That day we came to know, no, you have to go to the engineering college and apply for admission. We were so sure, being good students, that, oh, no problem, we can get admission. I remember I came here